Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Mark Jones from Mastering the Model, and I'm getting in on the 2025 USACC build. This is a new kit. I just picked this up, I think the 4th of September, just a couple days before my mother's birthday. And it's still, I opened it just to make sure everything was fine, but it's still all in its bags. So there's that. Plus, I have a little glue bomb, which if I find time or desire, I will take and maybe turn into a before and after. I mean, who knows? Maybe I'll do a Tim Brown thing and do a dial. Couple of old cars just sitting in the weeds or something. I don't know. So worry about that when I get there. So yep, I'm in the USACC build.